Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. As you can see from the title of the video, we're back with another nail video on my dominant hand. And I want to say, to start this off, I done stepped up another notch in like this nail tech stuff. Like, so I found out what I was doing wrong when I was doing my nails. And when I was drying off my brush, like with the monomer, instead of me dipping the wetter side of the brush into the powder, I was dipping the drier side. So it was like making the application very much harder. And once I started doing it the right way, it worked out way better. Because at first I wasn't going to record this video, but after I finished doing my right hand, I was like, oh no, I got to record this. I got to let them know. But that's why my left hand is already prepped and everything. If you're new and you don't know how I prep my nails, and you don't know that I'm not really a nail tech, but I'm an aspiring one, and I'm learning from YouTube and stuff like that. So if you don't know, you can watch like one of my other videos and you can see how I prep my nails. But as you can see, my nails is not as bulky as it was in my later videos. The application is like very much smoother than it was when I first was starting. And I feel like I'm talking too much. Oh, and I also want to say, please don't mind my whole setup. Like, I just be putting anything on the table, like, just to do my nails and just so I won't mess up the table. Because I done messed up, like, a couple tables in my house. Because, like, you know, when you're using the paper towel to, like, wipe off your brush and stuff like that, it actually goes through the paper towels, or the paper towels I've been using. So, I started just putting anything on it. But I did order, like, a nail desk. Well, nail table, I don't really know, but something, and it's actually portable too, but I'm just waiting for it to come. And when it comes, my setup is going to be better for you guys, okay? And I also still have like a lot of work to do with moving the acrylic around, like once it's on the nail. But for the most part, for as new as I am into this, I want to say I'm doing a damn good job. And yes. So for the rest of this thumb, I end up getting out of frame, so I just deleted the clip because there's no point for y'all to just be sitting there watching the damn piece of paper towel. So here I started using a different drill bit just so I could get really closer to my cuticles without really cutting it up. But the extra fine drill bit that I was using, it's like if it touched my, like soon as it touched my skin, it's literally slicing it. Like that's how fine it was. But I still use that drill bit, but I only use it like after I really got close enough to my cuticles. And I just use it to like clean up the rest. So here I'm going in with the extra fine drill bit, and I'm just going to clean up my nails, making sure it's not lumpy or bumpy or anything. Before, I would have to use the extra coarse one because, you know, it was like super bulky, super lumpy, but because, you know, I stepped my game up a little bit, I can use a different drill bit, and it's not that much that I have to clean up. Okay, so I did use like the drill bit to kind of fix up my shape, but now I'm just going in with my nail file, and then I'm just gonna fix up the shape a little bit more. So now we're just buffing just to make sure it's like no lines or anything, just make sure that the nail is like really smooth and everything. And I'm just gonna use these alcohol pads. It just clean off all the dust and the dirt and everything that's going on those nails. And we're just going to take this IBD top coat gel. This is a no white top coat. This is the only top coat that I really have and that I really use. Well, I only have it. I mean, it's the only one I have, so it's the only one I could use. But, and we're just going to cure this. I cure this for like, probably like 100 seconds or something like that. So here's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.